Today I'm going to show you behind the scenes in Ezoic on how to target keywords and increase your earnings in Ezoic for your blog posts. And here is a look at my dashboard. What we're going to do first is go into Analytics. Then we're going to go down to Content and go to Landing Pages. Now we can filter the date range. So this is for the last month, August 22nd to September 22nd. And you can move these different columns around. I'm going to move EPMV up to the front so that we can see that. Then if you click on the button EPMV, it's going to filter it so it has the highest at the top. So as you can see, my total average for the month is $27 EPMV, but I have this top one here, which is a $941 EPMV. That is insane. And so when I see this, is there other blogs that I can create? Is there anything else that I can do to increase the page views on this featured? As you can see, it's only gotten one visit, and we can move revenue down here as well. So because it's only gotten one visit, it's only made me 94 cents. But for one visit, that's pretty good. So I really can't make any other blogs because this is what is my featured page. This is showing all of the places that I've been in Forbes and Business Insider, different things like that. But what I can do for this is I can add it to my email signature. So immediately when I saw this, when I was preparing for the video, I went and added it here. So now when you go and you get my emails, then it brings you to the featured page. So with all of the places that I've been featured in Forbes, US News and World Report, CBS Evening News, Blogger Union, all of that. So I can increase my clicks there. Then we can look at my other top pages here. And these are some products in my shop. So what I can do for these is I can make blog posts that'll link to these products. Here is one of easy savings challenges. So I can make more on this topic here. That's a great, easy way that I can increase it. It's making more because I know that it has a high PMV. Another thing to look at is categories. So we're going to be in analytics still, and you're going to go to content and categories. And you can see here the page RPMV. Remove that to the front here. And then let's see, we can do exit as well. Number of pages and revenue. So that way we can see. So unknown, this is the front page. And then here are my different topics. So I have budgeting, saving money, side hustle, recipe, income reports, dumping debt, investing, and weight loss. So what I'm going to do is filter for the highest RPMV at the top. So I know that side hustle is going to be bringing me the most money. Then budgeting, saving money, dumping debt. So I can do them in this order. And so that I know, okay, if I'm making a side hustle blog post, that's going to be bringing me the most views and the most money. So I know if it's going to be a side hustle article, that's going to be bringing me the most money on average versus budgeting, saving money, dumping debt. Like income reports, that's only $6.13 versus $44. That's a huge, huge difference. So I should be focusing more of my time on side hustle income generating blogs because it's double my other highest category. Another thing to look at is the visit depth. So we're going to look under behavior and visit depth. This is going to show you how many times people are leaving your page and on average. So on average here for page views and visits, we can see that most people are only staying on that first page. When they first click, they're bouncing right off. Then the next is going to be one page, and we can see here also in EPMV that the ones that are earning the most money for EPMV is the first page and then the second page. And then you can kind of see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but 12 pages that actually has a higher than 7. So we want to look to see where are people bouncing off, and if we're seeing that most people are only staying on one page or one other page, then we don't really need to focus too much on other links within the blog post. We want to make sure that that first blog post that they click on is the best, it's meaty, it's juicy, it has a longer blog, and not necessarily focusing on relating other articles because most people aren't clicking the other articles. Another thing that you can look at is locations. You're going to audience location, and then we can drag EPMV over and filter it for highest EPMV. And then this you can see also what are the top countries and the highest paying. So if it is worth it for you and getting high page views, having it potentially translated into those languages of those other countries. So here, Bulgaria is my top paying EPMV, but I'm only getting 2 page views, so it wouldn't be worth a translation. Now Canada, that one is a lot closer, but they do speak English and French in Canada. But you can look here to see your top languages and see if it is worth it to have it translated. So for instance, if I was getting a lot of Brazilian traffic here, I would maybe think about getting some Portuguese and having some pages translated into Portuguese to target that audience. So this is so important to look at another aspect of ways that you can increase your EPMV.